Hey Internet, today's topic is Robotics and Automation Tutorial Solution 4.11. Pause the video where you need to. Again, copy with caution, but these videos so far, they've been 100%. In the next coming videos, I'll tell you that I may have lost 1 or 2 marks, but this one, it's 100%. So starting from here, okay, this one's quite long, and here's your solution. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications, and comment. Until next time, see ya.